Good morning, friends. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a few weeks since I have vlogged, but I'm coming back at you guys today and I'm going to have you guys spend the day with me. So I'm just getting ready right now to go to my hair appointment. I got these cute white joggers and these are my first like white joggers ever. I'm wearing a little brown bodysuit because I want to take some pictures today for Instagram. Hopefully my anxiety doesn't kick in because I hate taking pictures by myself. If you guys do Instagram, social media, or if you guys just ever take photos by yourself, it's like the most awkward thing ever. But this is the fit today, just something casual but cute. And I'm gonna cut my hair and dye it. We're gonna start with my skincare. I started getting into The Ordinary like a year ago and a lot of people always ask me questions about it. So if you guys have like questions about their products, feel free to ask me down below. If you guys live in Canada, they sell it at Sephora online and in store. But if you guys are from Ontario, they sell it at Square One in Mississauga and they sell it in the Distillery District as well. Sunscreen. For my makeup, I'm just gonna be putting on some eyelashes and that's literally it. I don't feel like putting anything on my face. So I'll see you guys when the eyelashes are on.
Alright guys, so I switched the fit a little bit. I just changed into a long sleeve top so it's easier when I take pictures. And I put my eyelashes on. That's literally all I put on. So I just parked up. We're gonna walk to the salon now. If I remember, the shortcut is that way, but I'm excited to do my hair. So this is like the cutest neighborhood ever and I really want to take some pictures after. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get inside. Drag my
Here, go get it.
Guys, we just ordered bubble tea.
I don't want to open their straws.
Washing station. Ooh. And it doesn't look like ugly.
No.
It's not even toned yet. Wow.
Hair
Look at
back?
her nails, guys.
Get yourself a hairdresser with nails like these.
Right.
But don't poke your eyes out. That's okay. I'm gonna take money off the thing for the toner.
What do you guys think? I just wanted to take a few pictures for Instagram and then we're gonna go home and eat. I made myself some pierogies for dinner. They're a little bit burnt, but I'm gonna eat this. And I want to watch The Grinch